one of the leading VRF products that was launched in 2019. For single unit, the footprint is small and maximum capacity is up to 30 horsepower. For combined units, maximum 3 units can be combined with capacity up to 90 horsepower. Due to the larger capacity and less footprint, our VC Pro Series VRF can save at least 30% space in the same capacity range. We adopt the 3-rows G-shaped heat exchanger, and the 4-side design can significantly increase the energy efficiency. VC Pro Series VRF can operate stably in a wide ambient temperature range from -5 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius in cooling mode. What's more, we have the dust clean function that can keep the heat exchanger clean and increase the energy efficiency in another way. VC Pro Series VRF can also automatically adjust the evaporating temperature in cooling mode to balance the comfort and energy efficiency that is especially helpful during the transition seasons. We can provide 4 night silent modes, 3 silent modes, and 4 super silent modes selections for more freedom and convenience to match the customer needs. During the night, we can reduce up to 15 decibels. In order to achieve different silent modes, we adopt several noise-reducing components, such as new air outlet grill, new DC inverter compressor, anti-vibration axial fan, and the low-noise fan motors, and so on. VC Pro Series VRF is very flexible for high-rise buildings. The total piping length is up to 1,000 meters. The longest piping length is 200 meters. Level difference is up to 110 meters between indoor units and outdoor units, and 30 meters between indoor units. Besides, we designed the multi-channels liquid cooling system for PCB, and double U-shaped refrigerant pipe can decrease the IPM temperature and enhance the reliability. In addition, VC Pro Series VRF can detect the temperature and pressure of the refrigerant, charging the refrigerant automatically when it is insufficient. VC Pro Series VRF is also equipped with the updated IMM Pro that can control up to 3,840 indoor units in one system. Besides, we also updated BMS Control, which can connect alarms, fans, pumps, lighting, ammeters, and so on. Midea VC Pro Series VRF, ultra cooling for hot regions.